Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore a comparison between Klaviyo and Zoho, two powerful tools in the realm of digital marketing. If you're new to Klaviyo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, simply log in and let's dive right in. Klaviyo and Zoho are both popular marketing automation platforms, but they cater to different needs and have distinct strengths. Here's a breakdown of their key features and use cases. Klaviyo serves as a comprehensive platform for email marketing and customer relationship management. It is designed to facilitate the creation and automation of email campaigns, allowing businesses to effectively segment their audiences and personalize communications. In addition to email marketing, Klaviyo supports SMS marketing and integrates smoothly with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Magento. This functionality makes Klaviyo an excellent choice for businesses aiming to nurture their existing email lists, execute targeted marketing campaigns, and analyze customer behaviors to refine and enhance their overall marketing strategies. Zoho is a comprehensive business suite that provides a diverse range of applications tailored to meet the needs of various organizations. Its primary function is to offer integrated solutions encompassing CRM, marketing automation, sales, customer support, and more. Key features include robust CRM capabilities for contact management and sales pipeline tracking, marketing automation tools for creating email campaigns and landing pages, and Salesforce automation to streamline the sales process. Additionally, Zoho provides customer support functionalities such as help desk and live chat, along with project management tools to help teams collaborate effectively. This suite is ideally suited for businesses seeking an all-in-one solution to manage multiple facets of their operations, enhancing overall efficiency and productivity. When deciding between Klaviyo and Zoho, consider your specific marketing and operational needs. Klaviyo is a powerful choice if your primary focus is on email and SMS marketing, particularly for e-commerce businesses, as it offers robust tools for targeted communications. In contrast, Zoho is ideal for those seeking a comprehensive suite of business tools, including CRM, marketing automation, and customer support solutions. While it is possible to use both platforms together, smaller businesses may find this approach redundant. However, for larger organizations with more complex requirements, leveraging both Klaviyo and Zoho can provide a synergistic advantage, allowing for enhanced marketing capabilities alongside a well-rounded operational framework. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.